Hi, my name is Karthik Mugod. I'm from Gadag.
My name is Dhruva.
Hi, I'm Rahul Ganesh, coming from BMS College Mechanical.
I am studying mechanical 7th sem at the JSS College, JSS Academy of Technical Education. Then
And I came through Ajay Kirtan internship to my college. One of our lecturers introduced it to me. And later on when I joined, I actually got to know that it was really good.
It's really good for 3D scanning and 3D designing learning internships. The mentors here are really good.
internship was very informative. I learned many new things like 3D printing, 3D scanning, and the process of 3D printing.
A lot of things, a lot of softwares, organic softwares, and other different kind of softwares. 1, 2, 3, and many.
We all learned about 3D scanning, scanning all the 3D objects and all, and designing various parts of 3D shapes and all.
I learned how to access the printer, dismantle and assemble the printer.
Learned about 3D designing, 3D designing software, 3D printing of an object, post processing of the printed object, and different parts of the 3D printing machine, how the 3D printer works, and what are the process involved.
It is very friendly and it teaches very efficiently, and all the printings and all the designs are here are very good. And
I would definitely recommend 3D printing internship at Adia Creations to anybody who wants to learn something. It was very informative and I learned many new things.
I recommend here to do the internships as it is a very good platform to learn everything, and everything is taught very clearly and in depth it is taught.
I would definitely recommend this, and I would rate it a 5 on 5.